Hi, my name is Muhammad. Today is third lecture of CSS. We already discussed what is inline in CSS. Okay, that is my first lecture. What is inline in CSS? And in CSS, you must note all programs, all web designing totally depend upon on inline. Second one is internal style. Third one is external styles. If you completely understand these three styles, it means that CSS is not a difficult. It's easy to do any web designing work, any create of website. Okay. Third one is what? External style sheet. I'll do it into practical. What is this? Okay, basic structure is same. HTML add. Okay, meta chart set. This is not mandatory. Okay, you can ignore this, no problem. Link ref. External means outside of the HTML document. That is called external. External means outside. In general English, external means outside of the document. Okay, now here is two files. That one file is give any name and other file is what? Style.css. extension is changed. .css is Cascading Style Sheet. Okay, you must understand what is CSS. Okay, you know that CSS means Cascading Style Sheet. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Okay, one file is the name of the extension is what? One file is .html extension same, and other one is what? .css, and this file is what? External. Okay, external file. You must give a link address, link rel style sheet type. Okay, text and CSS style, and that hyperreference I have already discussed hyperreference in HTML. Okay, style dot other files, and this link is add section into HTML structure. After in body section, what do you want to create on a website about structure, or type any data, write any text. Okay, like H1 adding style and P is a paragraph into body section. Okay, let's do it into practical. Okay, what is this into practical? Okay, other file is this save file, file name.css extension. Okay, style.css, and are you using an HTML file adding using you must call adding and paragraph, and give the properties of adding and paragraph. What do you want to create? Okay, first I'll open, that's what Sublime. Okay, press Ctrl S to save it. Give any location name, like I want to give the CSS3.html. one file, first file you must note it, first file save it .html extension. Okay, just save it and press enter. What do you want to create? External style of CSS. Okay, this, and into head section you will call a link area. That link area is what? Okay, I'll tell you now. Link, press enter. Link, okay, and link address is what? Style sheet, then the file name. But now I'll not create other file. Now I am creating other file. How to do that? Click on file, okay, new file, and save it. What? CSS, give any name, tree dot CSS extension. You must note it. Both file HTML and CSS save into same location. Like I am already saved one file is what? CSS3, and other one is CSS3.css. Extension is different. Location is same on a desktop, both files. Okay, one file is .html and other one is .css. Now just type here CSS3.css. okay, save it, press Ctrl S. Now give any heading like CSS external style. Okay, now what is trying to do so? You must note it here. Okay, like I want to give one heading is here h1, okay, and you can also give here heading to s. It's your choice, no problem. Okay, for example, hello world. Okay, and I want to give one paragraph. Okay, like it is CSS external style. Okay, press Ctrl S to save, or click here, save. Now I want to run this file. Like here, two files, you noted that CSS3 and CSS, only extension is different. Okay, you can see also the extension of this file. You will see here .css. Open it. Okay, this is the same, and no any styles, no any categorized. Then what is trying to do next? Click another file. Other file is what? CSS3.css. h1 and start braces. Okay, you must note this. You give any style properties of our next topic is what? This CSS this is the CSS other file. Okay, you must note it here, like here, color.green, text decoration, and also paragraph is what? Font size and font family, as you already defined other, like internal style, inline style. Properties is same, but description is different. Now I want to define it external file, another file. The file name is what? CSS3.css. give any name, only save it .css. Now just here like color green, you must close it with semicolon, and text decoration underline. Okay, save it, press Ctrl S, and refresh this, press F5 or click here. This will change. Other one is what? Other one is paragraph P and smart braces. Okay, what do you want to hear? Like font size. Okay, I want to 30 pixels. Okay, and font family, press enter, single quotation, and give any font style, for example Times New Roman. Okay, and close this, press Ctrl S to save or click here to save. Okay, now see here and press this. Okay, you can also here to change this any other style like sans serif, save, and here refresh this. Okay, if any style not applied, it means that this style is not installed into your computer, into Windows or any other. See other font styles, no problem, like Impact, and save it, applied. Okay, these are the this is one file coding and this is the other file coding. You must note it all of this. Okay, external file and internal file, all of this.